welcome to my channel. My name is Maria. I am a makeup artist, a self-taught makeup artist, a makeup enthusiast, I'm obsessed with makeup, however you want to say it. And today's video, we are going to be doing a room tour. I'm really excited because I've worked so hard on my office. Now you will see some things that are behind here. Don't pay attention to that. It's a bunch of junk. But the main thing is I just wanted to kind of show what my setup was, my vanity, all of my palettes, how I store everything, and what everything looks like. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Okay, so if you hear the noise, I'm sorry. It's a little hot today, and I have the fan on. So this is really the only section that is complete in this office. Notice I still have no floors, but I'm getting there. And I also wanted to say that I'm in no way bragging about this, guys. This took a long time to gather all of this stuff, and yes, I do buy a lot of makeup, but I also do give away a lot of makeup because, yeah, I don't want it to go to waste, and I never return things. So this is my little area where I like to display things. Also up there too. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, the light's not good here. This right here, I have Stop Making Excuses at Asia Fitness, and now I need to change that because it's Mindsetandmascara and Exhale the Negativity. This is just like a little hanger that my sister-in-law made that I absolutely love. Umbrella Corporation, Resident Evil, my favorite movie of all time. Okay, this right here was made by my husband. These are most of my eyeshadow palettes. If you've noticed, a lot of them, I mean, they're 2-3 things deep. See if I can show you here. I have an obsession with eyeshadow palettes. I love eyeshadow palettes. So that's most of what you're gonna see me have a lot of in my collection. Some I like, some I need to declutter, some I need to try because I haven't even tried them. Yeah, I do have issues. Okay, so here I do like buying the whole PR set so I can kind of put the boxes and stuff, display them as, you know, my background. This, I got the entire collection of last year's Pride collection with Morphe. I haven't gotten this year's. I don't know if I want it, come to think of it. I don't know. We'll see. Haven't even used the brushes. I don't really use Morphe brushes. But it's cute, so I display it. And then this right here, oh, the desks also. Show you the desks my husband made too. There's one, two. That used to be over there with this other desk, which I was using for, it was going to be for my nail stuff. So I moved that over here because I needed like an editing place and whatnot. So we'll get to that here in a little bit. But here, all these are my most used palettes. These, not really, but I like having all of the ColourPop 9pan palettes right there. These, I always use Juvia's Place. The bigger Juvia's Place are up there. So yeah. And then I have, these are Jeffree Star stands. If the lighting's not great, I'm sorry. I do with what I have. This is a garage. So those are Jeffree Star. The ones on the left are, but the ones here, if I can zoom in a little bit, those are Sugar Pill and Dose of Colors. They have kind of the same component as the Jeffree Star component. Absolutely love Sugar Pill. And Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. So that's those. Let's zoom out here. My husband did make this. We cut it a little weird. So not all of the circles are the same length, but it is what it is. I have them color coordinated. All my glosses are these 5 areas, I think. Yeah, these 4. These I probably have to get rid of because I have not used these like at all. These are those Maybelline. Yeah, the Maybelline, the little effects. So it had the lip color and then the little topper or whatever. Oh, there it goes. Whatever effect you wanted to put on it. I never use them, like, ever. I like liquid lipsticks. I don't use a whole lot of bullet lipsticks. Those are my bullet lipsticks. I have a hell of a lot more liquid lipsticks than bullet lipsticks. I don't know why I don't. I just don't wear them as often. I love glosses, so you'll see an insane amount of glosses here. These are palettes that I haven't used yet that I need to film with. Let me zoom out here. There we go. That I needed to film with. That is my e.l.f. J Kissa palette. I just filmed with that, but these are palettes I do not have room for anywhere else. So that is a sign that I either need to declutter or ask my husband to make more storage. I'm thinking I may want to add another one of these up above, but I haven't decided that yet. So I will take your opinions. All right, so this is my filming area. See, I have these go in my most used, except for the Magic palette, which goes up there because it doesn't fit in that one bin. Towels for what I need. Let me zoom out. This, highlighters, lashes. I am going to get a lash case, one acrylic case for lashes. Lorella sells it. Haven't gotten it yet. I will probably put it on my Instagram when I do get it and when I organize it. It's probably going to go over here, and then I'm going to move this somewhere else. But this has my contour stuff, my bronzing palettes and stuff that won't fit in the acrylic cases. Also my highlighters that won't fit in the acrylic cases, and lashes, because I do have a lot of lashes. But only one little section for my lashes. So these are my face brushes. These are my eye brushes. I do have a lot of brushes, but I have decluttered a lot of brushes too. So don't judge me, okay? These are, I put glitter liners that I don't have room for in my glitter liner drawer. Also, these are the LA Splash liner on one end and then kind of color on the other. These are all of the BH Cosmetics eye lights. I absolutely love these. I use them in one of my recent, I don't know if it's up yet, but one of my recent looks. Also, setting sprays that I don't have room for in the other drawer, or the other acrylic case. Okay, these are my mascaras. Come on, Maria. These are my mascaras. Also, I've been on the lookout for the perfect mascara. Still haven't found it. The Fenty one comes pretty close. See, these are my melt eyeliners, because this is an eyeliner pot too, but that's the only one kind of out of it. I used to have ColourPop ones, but I'm not very keen on the ColourPop liner formula. I absolutely love the melt formula. Here's beauty blenders, my Tati Blendiful, all my sponges and stuff that I need. Those aren't beauty blenders, those are the Juno & Co sponges. Yeah, those are Juno & Co sponges. Here is my favorite drawer, probably of all time. These are all of my my e.l.f. glitters and my glitter liners. I absolutely love these, along with my heavy metal glitter liners. I'm obsessed with glitter, those of you that know me know that I am obsessed with glitter. Also, these are all my liners, my lip liners, eyeliners. So these are lip liners, eyeliners, glitter glue, face shaving things, scissors, anything that I need for that, I put them in there. Here is my last drawer, my little bitty last drawer. I'm going to have a bigger one because like I said, I'm going to get that acrylic case for them. Adhesive. Those are my lashes. I don't use those as much as I use the bold face ones. And these are highlighters. These are highlighters. As you can see, I am obsessed with highlighters because I even have highlighters right there. So I love highlighters. And we have my blushes here. And then here we have my bronzers. All right, next. That is my microphone that I use for my podcasts. I always use them for my podcasts right there. Okay. These are the Zodiac pigments that ColourPop did with Kathleen Lights. They did come out with other pigments, but I didn't get it to focus. There we go. But I didn't get those because I don't use these very often. This is my spare drawer. Everything I have duplicates of and spares of. See, that is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick and Bow and Arrow. My NYX glitter glue because I love that stuff. Also House of Lashes lash glue. They didn't have the regular ones, so I bought little minis. In here are all my toppers, my eye toppers. These are like the Kylie, I want to say they're the Shimmer Eye Glaze. I absolutely love these. I got the ones in the Christmas collection and fell in love with them, and now I have almost all of them. I don't have all of them, but I also have, these are loose shimmers. So any kind of really shimmery, let me take this out, there we go. Any kind of like shimmery pigments or anything like that. These little Sara pigments, oh, they are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. I use, this one's Mystique, and I don't know if I can open it. There we go. And look at that, it's gorgeous. Let's see if I can get it to, there we go. That is so beautiful. So I love these. I use them sparingly because I don't have a lot of them. I just have a little bit of it, of each color. So those are those. Here is my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow Drawer. I actually don't use these very often. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. Yeah, those are the dang, those are the Jelly Much Shadows, and actually I'm not gonna buy any more of these because they dry out really quickly and I don't use them often enough, and I don't buy a whole lot of Super Shocks. I like the glitter formula, but I don't really use a whole lot of them. So I do use these, however. These are the Glitterly Obsessed. Oh, I absolutely love these. They're gorgeous. So I have those, and then I have these here. These are Glitterly Obsessed, and my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitters. I've got tons of these. I also have some ColourPop because I was like, hey, ColourPop has glitters and they're beautiful. They're very fine. And also the BH Cosmetics ones because these are pretty good too. Put that right here. This over here is, they're my setting sprays, and like these are little glitters too. I may end up moving them over, but also have my Stilas here. I don't use these as often as I use those. These are my single shadows. I've got the Block Party shadows and Urban Decay shadows, Kat Von D. Sorry, it's KVD now. I prefer KVD, okay? But KVD single shadows, and then all of my glosses and my eye primers and eye bases, my sugar scrubs, things like that. Then over here are all of my face primers. I think it's all of them, yeah. My face primers. This one, these are my concealers. Some I like more than others. That's when I was doing like trying to find the perfect concealer. Then I have my foundations, which is awesome. I love foundations. Some of them I don't use. I probably need to get rid of the Jouer because it's horrible. It's very cakey on me. And then all of my face powders, finishing powders. I have this one, but I can't fit it in here. I just got the Nakia Joy one, so that one's probably just gonna stay right there. So that is my little setup. I have a spare of the Nakia Joy. It took forever for it to get to me because of the whole COVID stuff. So, and then my Cinema Secrets. I try to clean my brushes after I use them, but here's my setup. I don't want to get too far up because I don't want to blind you, and my ring light's there. So I've got this stand for when I am either taking pictures or with my phone, or I'm doing a live or whatever. And then I have that stand. This is what my microphone sits on because I wanted it closer to me, so I put it on a separate stand. But I have it on the camera right now because I, of course, am using it. And then this is my computer / monitor, my viewfinder. I do connect my camera to there because I like having it on the computer, and I like having my computer there because I'll sit here and edit, and I will probably edit like all freaking day. So, and then we have the junk that is the rest of, the junk that is the rest of my area, because I need to do some cleaning and I need to finish getting all this together. I need to add there's my trash bin. I need to add some flooring and all of that. But that is my office. That is my collection. I actually love my little area that I have here. It's my sanctuary. I come out here to escape from everything. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, then hit the subscribe button, or more of me, then hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the family. And yeah, until next video, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.